Hey, but Jim and review on the X-Men Cyclops figure. Cyclops has been known to be rare. Especially this version of Cyclops has been known to be rare in the X-Men line. The figure does light up. There's a button in the back. If you take a look here, you could probably replace the battery, but it doesn't work. You could probably replace the battery, but the thing is I don't think the batteries that this goes into actually are sold anymore. And really kind of sucks. I mean, you can unscrew it, and there is a battery section here, but I just don't think that there's a way to. I don't think the batteries that normally would come with are sold anymore. Cyclops is nice though. I think without the light up feature, he's pretty cool. Unfortunately, he's just kind of like a dead figure because it's not working, and I would have to replace the battery to really get it to work. But he is in otherwise pretty good condition. I mean, considering I got this at a flea market, he's always in pretty good shape. I mean, and considering this figure is rare in the packaging, I'm happy to have this figure like it is. And that's going to be my review tape for the Cyclops figure. Have a good day.